Hey guys, the best overheating car quick fix. That's right, using an egg. You can take the egg whites, pour them down in your radiator. If you have a crack or leaking radiator, then you'll be able to heat that egg up inside the radiator. It'll allow it to be pushed down into the hole and plug it up with the pressure of the radiator, which is pretty neat. Although I'm not sure if you should try this. If you're desperate enough, maybe go for it. Otherwise, I do not recommend this. Do it at your own risk. I've seen people have success with it. You can actually use a plastic welder. You can get for about 10-15 bucks. And you know how many problems you can fix with this? Check out the video where I show me fixing a radiator with a plastic welder. I mean, everything's made out of plastic. I won't be surprised if they make the entire engine out of plastic coming soon, and that we know they're trying to do this with some pistons, but this is a good tool to use. Now, if you're trying to locate a leak, you may want to use the UV dye or a radiator pressure test kit to look for any leaks. Now, if you're losing coolant but you don't see any dripping onto the ground, one of the best things you can do, go to your local auto parts store and they will have a liquid test kit, and you can rent it for free. You just got to pay for the liquid, usually about 10 bucks. Although you can get an economy size online for like 15-20 bucks, a big huge one, and then keep it. But I'm not sure how many cars you'll be testing. Guys, please drop down, tell us some cool tricks you know, being in a pinch and trying to just make it from point A to point B. Depending on your situation, that really changes this whole thing. Now, guys, help us out here. Drop down, help out the NA community with your kindness. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.